Hello, here's SWC team, and you are watching a video digest in which we share the most important events in the history of string transport and SWC over the past weeks. In this release, new episode of 12 Sky podcast, new release of answers to questions about Carat, Global Transport Investments has published its 2024 dividend declaration. Let's not waste time and get straight to the first event. In the fourth episode of 12 Sky podcast, Zainav Makhmudov, founder of V Founders Business Club, an IT startup, will share his experience in building quality communications. He will explain how to make communication the key to being heard, find like-minded people, and fulfill your potential. And after, get to the peak of that skill and learn how to build communities. UST Incorporated Media Center continues to publish a series of materials with answers to frequently asked questions about Carat transport and infrastructure complex. In the new release, experts will answer in which transportation areas it can be used. What was unique about the construction of the track structure? How much energy does Unibus use? How resistant is the Unimobile to high temperatures? Global Transport Investments has published a dividend declaration confirming its commitment to investors. According to the document, dividends will be paid from the profits of the distributor companies of UST Transport and Infrastructure Complexes and UST String Technology licenses. That was the main news for today. Please do put your likes and leave your comments for this release. See you soon.